I am ready to start my work for the nation. Different approaches are also being considered to decongest NAIA, including the possible transfer of general aviation. Na itong, I will, hindi, ang style ko kasi, ganito, hindi naman ako, I'm not steeped into formalities. Itong trans of general aviation, alam mo kung sino tiyatamaan yan? Kayong mayayaman, kayong may mga helicopter pati aeroplano, ilipat ko kayo. Alam mo yung general aviation, yung mga Learjets, sa mga kumpanya, ilagay ko kayo sa Batanes para wala masyadong air traffic. No, I'm offering Sangley Point. Kasi kailangan ko isang runway. I can make a new runway there, sabi ng mga aviation experts. But tumbok niyan is the Merville subdivision. Baka isa pa akong runway dito sa Metro Manila. But if not, then it's going to be Clark. But on the condition that we would have a fast rail. Sabi ko kaya, something like 1 hour of travel, sabi ko kay Tugadi, is not acceptable. Make a rail there, bago. Marami na ko pa eh. It's the vow of the day is the bullet train. Sabi, ilagay mo yan sa Pilipino na driver, sotoy talaga kayo doon. Maglampas kayo. The Clark Airport can be utilized to ship some operations of our domestic and international airlines. Moreover, a one-stop shop will be established within the civil aviation complex for the benefit of the overseas Filipinos. Ito, mangyari nito. To utilize the Clark Airport, it is necessary to establish yung mga, well, you have a rail to connect. I am ready to start my work for the nation.